What's up, coffee coders? We are back in the game. Nasa part 8 na tayo at sa part 8 na to, mag-discuss tayo ng CSS animations and transitions. So sa part na to, like I said sa previous video ko, ito na yung advanced level ng CSS. So dito malalaman natin kung ano-ano nga ba yung mga properties and then behaviors, pati yung animations regarding sa CSS. Alright? So let's start. So, yung ano-ano nga ba yung ma-discuss dito? Number 1, CSS transitions, timing functions, and properties. Number 2, keyframe animations. And then, number 3, transformations, rotate, scale, and skew. And then, number 4, hover effects and interactive animations. And lastly, performance optimization for animations. So, syempre, hindi natin pwedeng alisin yung the fact na kung paano nga ba sila pwedeng maging efficient sa bawat isa. At especially sa website design. Again, this is Code Coffee, Filipino 25, full-time and freelance developer. Without further ado, mag-start na tayo sa part 1. Let's go.